how to solve a double-digit by double-digit multiplication problem using the shortcut method. I've already highlighted the numbers to help us determine which numbers we're going to multiply in which order. So if you look at 25 times 78, we're going to look at the very bottom number and the last digit in the bottom number, so the 8. We are going to multiply the 8 by each of the digits in the top number. So the first problem that we're going to solve is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is what? It's 40. So we're going to bring the 0 down. We'll try to bring the 0 down. And we'll carry the 4 at the top. Okay? Next, we are multiplying 8 times the second number, which is 2. What is 8 times 2? Is 16. And 16 plus the 4 on top is 20. Since we have nothing else to multiply for 25 times 8, we're just going to bring the 20 down below. I'm going to cross out the 4 just to let me know that I've already used that number. The next step is now we're going to multiply that full top number, 25, times the second digit in the bottom number, which is the 7. Since the 7 is in the tens place, our answer is also going to start in the tens place. So we need to make sure we bring a 0 down in the ones place in the second row just to hold our spot so we know that we're not placing any number there from the answer. So 7 times 5 is 35. Bring the 5 down, carry the 3 just like we did before. We're almost pretending this 8 is not even there. We're just multiplying 25 times 7. Since we've done 7 times 5 now we're going to complete 7 times 2. What is 7 times 2? It's 14 plus the 3 at the top. It's 17. Since we don't have anything else left to multiply, we're just going to bring the full number 17 down below. The last step in the shortcut method is to add the two numbers at the bottom. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1,950. It's much easier for the shortcut method if you keep the numbers nice and spaced out and you make sure that your columns are aligned. Otherwise it can get really confusing when you're adding and multiplying numbers. If we want to check over our work, we can always use estimation. So 25 rounds to what number? It rounds to 30. Since 5 is in the ones place, since 5 is the neighbor, the 5 tells us we need to round up, so we need to round up to 30. We're going to multiply 30 by 80 because 78 rounds to 80 because the neighbor in the 8 tells us to round up to 80. In 30 times 80, how many zeros are at the end of both numbers? There are 2, so I'm going to add 2 down here, 2 zeros, and then all I have left to do is to multiply the 3 digits, or the 2 digits that are remaining. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So our estimate is 2,400, and our actual answer is 1,950.